Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to hide balance on imToken application. To hide your balance in the imToken app, simply follow these simple steps. Open up the imToken application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the My Profile button appearing at the bottom right. In order to get to your profile settings, tap on the Settings button from the list and toggle on the button right next to Hide Balance. This will now blur out your balance and keep it private from your wallet. So that is how you can easily hide your balance in imToken. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.